Good day everyone. The topic for today is factorization. We're going to factorize the sum and difference of two cubes. Alright, so the first problem that we are having is x cubed minus y cubed. Okay, so in order for us to factorize this, we need to have a binomial and a trinomial. Okay, binomial and a trinomial. Binomial means two terms, and then trinomial, that's where we'll have three terms. Okay, so we can start with the sign. Do you see this sign? It's negative there, so this one should be negative as well. Right, now we need to apply the cube root, okay, on those two terms that we are having there, which is x cubed. So when we apply the cube root on x cubed, the answer that we get is x. We apply the cube root on y cubed, the answer that we get is y. Right, so here we will have x, there we will have y. Okay, moving on. Now, in order for us to get the first term, we need to square this term here. So we will have x, and then we square it, that will give us x squared. So we will have x squared there. All right, so now to get the next sign, the sign that is here, that is supposed to be there, so we need to look at this one. If this one is negative, we write positive there. If this one is positive, we write negative there. So which means the two signs are always opposite to each other. Okay, right. Now to get the middle term, we need to multiply x and y. So when we multiply x and y, the answer that we get is xy. Okay, so there we will have xy. Now to get the next sign here, this one is always what? Positive. So that one you don't have to stress much about it because you know it's always positive. It does not change. You should not change it. It doesn't matter what happens anywhere or kanjani. That one it's always what? It's always positive. So to get the last term, we need to say y, we need to square y there. All right, so when we square y, we will get y squared. So we say y squared. Right, you are done factorizing if you write like this. Okay, just to recap on this question, you are having a difference of two cubes. Okay, they are called two cubes because they are to the power of 3 there. Okay, they are to the power of 3. So this one is x cubed minus y cubed. All right, so in order for you to get your binomial, you need to take the cube root of each and every term that you are having there. All right, when you take the cube root of x cubed, that will give you x. When you take the cube root of y cubed, that will give you y. So you'll have xy here. All right, to get this trinomial here, all right, the first term you need to square x, so you'll have x squared. Okay, you'll have x squared there. Now to get this sign is always opposite to that sign there. If this one is negative, that has to be positive. If that one is positive, that has to be negative. Okay, they are always opposite to each other. Right, to get the middle term, you need to multiply these two terms. So you say x multiplied by y, that will give you xy. So you write xy there. All right, now to get this sign it's always positive. You don't have to stress. That one, it's always positive. It does not change that one. Okay, right. And then the last term, which is y squared, you need to take this y and then you square it, and then you'll have that answer. This is not the only method that you can use. There are other methods, of course. So, but if you find this one helpful, you can like the video, you can share it, and then you can also go to my channel. The name of my channel is Good News Isoben. So you can also go there. You like the page because the page is still new. So there are videos there that you can find productive there. So yeah, guys, take care. Have a lovely day.